Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Do you love Clash of Clans but wish you could play it on a larger display with better controls? Good news, because now you absolutely can. Playing on your MacBook brings a whole new dimension to your gameplay, letting you see every detail of your village and battles more clearly. It's perfect for long sessions or just enjoying the game in a different way. Let's explore the best methods for 2025. For a long time, the go-to method for playing mobile games on a computer involved using Android emulators. Programs like BlueStacks would create a virtual Android device right on your MacBook. This allowed you to download and play Clash of Clans, just as you would on a phone. However, this approach sometimes used a lot of your Mac's processing power, and it wasn't always the smoothest experience. The game changed dramatically with the introduction of Apple Silicon Macs, like the M1 and M2 chips. These powerful new MacBooks can directly run many iPhone and iPad applications, including Clash of Clans. This means you no longer need an emulator or any complex workarounds. It's a much more seamless and efficient way to enjoy your game, feeling just like a native Mac application. Getting Clash of Clans set up on your Apple Silicon Mac is incredibly straightforward. First, simply open the App Store, which you'll find in your Applications folder or dock. Then, use the search bar at the top to type in Clash of Clans. Once you find the game, just click on the Get button or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before, and the installation will begin automatically. It's as simple as that. To truly enhance your Clash of Clans experience on Mac, make sure to take advantage of your mouse for precise troop and spell placement. You might also find that certain keyboard shortcuts can speed up your interactions within the game. For the best visual comfort, consider adjusting your Mac's display settings. Enjoy the expanded view of your village and prepare for epic battles on your big screen. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.